Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to show you how you can viral your TikTok video in just 1 minute. Yes, your TikTok video is going to be viral within a short period of time. So without wasting our time, let's jump into the video. Okay, so I have made this new TikTok account for this trick and I'll be doing this trick on my personal account. Okay, so you can see that I haven't uploaded any video yet on this account, and let's upload a new video here. Okay, so let me go to the video and upload, and this is the video that I want to upload on my TikTok, and just I have selected the video and just go back and click on next, and let me check if I have to change anything. No, click on next, and let me put a decent type of title here, and I think this title will be good. Let's do it, and let me put some tag. That's this one, and put another one that's for you, and that's it. Okay, so now I have to post the video, and now let's wait for the video to complete the upload. And here you can see that there is no like, no comment, and no view on this video, and I'm going to show you how you can get thousands of views on the same video. Let me pause the video and jump into Google, and here you go, click on Google. Here you have to type ZEFOY, that's ZEFOY, and click on search button. Here you can see the first website in front of you, that's zefoy.com. Click on this website. Let me wait for the loading to complete. Here you have to fill the captcha. Let me fill the captcha, that's label. Okay, click on tick. Here you go. Here you can see that there are different options like followers, hertz, comments, views, shares. These all are free to use, but for now this video we have the topic that is views. So let's just click on views. Here you have to paste the link of the video on which you want the views. Okay, so let me copy the link of the video, and that's the link is copied. Now just jump into the Google again and paste the video link and search, and here you go. Now here you have to click on this video option that's loading. It's doing loading again. Wait for a moment, and here you go, successfully views are sent to your video. Now let's close this TikTok once and go to home, open the TikTok again and go to profile. Let me check, and boom, here you can see there are 1498 views in front of you in just 1 minute. This is the method that's free to use. You can grow your TikTok video in just seconds. Now you can make this video more viral by repeating the same steps and getting thousands and millions of views in just small period of time. You can share this video with your friends that are on TikTok so that they can get viral as well. Before going, just subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.